everybody, I'm Meg.
And I'm Julia.
And I'm Dave.
And this is Quarantinis
With
with
Meg,
Meg, Julia, and Dave.
Dave.
Today we have a special edition of Quarantinis.
Very special edition.
As you can see, our daughter is joining us. We are going to make a kid-friendly quarantini.
Kid friendly.
And what are we making today, Julia?
A frozen strawberry daiquiri.
And
Awesome.
What do we need for a frozen strawberry daiquiri?
Sliced frozen strawberries, lime juice, and ice.
Ice.
And ice. Awesome.
Awesome. All right. So, as you can see, we have our blender full of ice ready to go. And we're going to add our strawberries. Do you want to add these, Julia?
Yeah,
Let me open them and you can pour them in.
Oh,
Alright.
how much do we need?
All of it.
All of it. Wow.
So we're using a little less than 16 ounces of frozen strawberries. And then we need to put in our lime juice. Do you want to pour that in, Julia?
Okay.
And that's 2 ounces of lime juice. This is for a blender full. All right, so then we put that, Dad will put that on the blender.
Right here. No.
So if your mixture is a little bit too thick like we have here, you can just go ahead and add a little bit of water, a little bit more lime juice, or maybe what we'll do is add a little bit of orange juice. That'll be really good, huh? Look at the orange juice.
All right. What do you think it looks like so far, Leah?
A strawberry swirl. A strawberry swirl smoothie.
Strawberry swirl smoothie.
All right, let's add a little bit of orange juice to that.
Awesome.
And let's do it again.
And let's do it again. Ready to go? Are you ready to taste these?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So then you just fill. We've got these great hurricane glasses.
And it feels good to me.
That's gonna be good, good, good.
Yeah.
Great little afternoon snack, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. So there's our mocktail. And I thought we could really just have a little bit of fun with this. What do you think, Leah? Should we have a little fun?
Yeah.
All right, so typical garnish would be a piece of fruit on the side. So we'll go ahead and each do a little lime to reinforce that lime
And a
juice.
cherry.
Then I thought, let's have a lot of fun with this, and let's do a little whipped cream topper on there. What do you think of that?
And some cherry.
And then why not a little cherry on top of that?
Wow, that looks really good, Leah.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, here you go, Dad. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, we have to cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Leah. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Look at that. Beautiful.
Mm.
So, out of 5 stars, how many stars would you give it? 100 million.
Stars.
This is a good drink then. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. FYI, if you want to adult this out, I'm sure you know what to add. So, we'll be back again soon with another Quarantini. We'll bring Leah around every now and then to make something special for the kiddos as we're all stuck in the house together. Stay safe, and we'll see you guys soon. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Say bye.